Hello, hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. May is Celiac Disease Awareness Month. Celiac disease means that a person experiences an immune reaction to eaten gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. You can find out more about this at celiac.org. Our cookbook highlight is Great Gluten-Free Baking by Louise Blair. Our featured recipe is gluten-free blue cheese and rosemary biscuits. For your ingredients, you will need blue cheese, butter, rice flour, polenta, fresh rosemary, and an egg yolk. Here's a tip. To separate fresh parsley leaves from the stem for chopping, pinch at the tip of the sprig with first finger and thumb, then pull off rosemary leaves in the downward direction. Step 1. Place all of your ingredients except the egg yolk into a food processor and whiz until well combined. Step 2. Add the egg yolk and whiz for a few seconds until the mixture comes together to form a soft dough. Step 3. Form the dough into a ball, then place it on a surface dusted lightly with rice flour. Roll into a sausage shape about 6 inches long. Wrap closely and chill for half an hour. Step 4. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the dough from the refrigerator, unwrap, and place on a floured surface. Step 5. Slice the sausage-shaped dough into discs, arrange on a parchment-lined baking sheet, and place in the preheated oven for about 12 minutes until golden. Step 6. Carefully remove from oven and let cool on the baking sheet. Now all that's left is to serve and enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.